Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you guys are wondering how to fix the emojis missing on your Android device, so if specific emojis are missing, you can try out this method because uh, sometimes they may not be updated, or you may need to install a different keyboard app or disable temporary features. So, first of all, let's go ahead and access our keyboard settings. For that, you can go ahead and open up any of the messaging application, for example, WhatsApp. And once you are there, you go to chat, one of the chat. And from there, you can just go over the text field to bring up the keyboard, tap on it. And when you tap on it, the keyboard appears on your screen. Now, what you need to do is basically look out for the settings or the four dots to find the gear icon in the menu. I directly have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on your settings, the keyboard settings opens up. Now, in keyboard settings, you can go ahead and look out for suggested emojis or other options for emojis available or emotes available. So we have this option called suggest emojis or suggest stickers while typing. You just need to find the toggle option right beside it and tap on it. And when you turn it on, that should suggest the emojis. Similarly, you can just go and look out for text corrections or preferences, showing emoji, key, etc. If you find that option, you can just go ahead and tap on the toggle option right beside it to turn it on and do so. Apart from that, you can try updating your apps or operating system. So if you have the keyboard, an external keyboard, you can head over to Play Store and update it. Or if you uh, are using the keyboard within the system, you can go to settings for that, open it up, and from there you can just go ahead and look out for software update option. So go ahead and find that option right there, and you can check for any kind of available Android operating system, as those can bring the new emoji sets on your device. And that's it. And you can also try clearing app cache. So you can try clearing app cache for a specific messaging application. Head over to settings for that, tap on it. And once you open it up, you can scroll down and look out for the option called apps and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the messaging or any kind of application that requires emojis. For example, Discord. You can just go ahead and tap on the app, and you can just go ahead and look out for the storage option. Scroll down for that, find storage and tap on it. And from there, you can go ahead and clear cache and also clear data if necessary. And that's it. So these are some of the solutions you can try out in order to fix the missing emojis on your Android device. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.